When 24 is divided by positive integer n, the remainder is 4. When 24 is divided by n, the remainder is 4. Well, what's the only number that you can divide into 24 and get a remainder of 4? You want to get a remainder of 4. Well, the only way you could get that, you know, when you do long division, you subtract, that would have to be a 20. So it can't be, it had to be a 5, because 5 will go into 24 4 times, and 4 times 5 is 20. So n would have to be 5. Well, Roman numeral 1's not right, because 5 is odd. Roman numeral 2, n is a multiple of 5. Yes, 5 is a multiple of itself. N is a factor of 20. Yes, 5 will divide into 20. So your answer is Roman numeral 2 and 3. 2 and 3, so it looks like your answer is D.